Hey everyone, this is Daniel Oakley, Pure Oakley 1, and here is a look at my salmon pink bird eater. Yeah, I've covered in paint, I've just got back from work. I have had a quick wash, but it's oil based and won't come off. Anyway, so yeah, this is Kratos, my salmon pink bird eater. And I just want to point out the size of him. Now, if you're in the hobby, you will know that when you get them as spiderlings, they are tiny little things. I have had him for 2 months and 3 weeks tomorrow. Today being the Wednesday the 26th of April. I had him on the 7th of February. So yeah, and he is so much bigger, literally. He was smaller than his head, you know. Although looking at the size, I think it could be a female, purely based on the whole abdomen and how big it is, you know, really big and fat. See, it's hairy and starting to look more like a tarantula than a little spider, because when I had it, it was seriously so small. It was about as big as those two segments of leg, probably not even that big. It was tiny. It only cost me about, I think it's about £1, £2, something like that. Seriously, absolutely nothing. And now 2.5 months later, and I really cannot believe how big he is. It's crazy. With the food, what I've been feeding him, everything from pinna crickets to small mealworms he likes, and also the pupae from waxworms. I actually have one just there. You know, they're alive, you know, big juicy things, completely defenseless, and he literally eats probably half, maybe even 3/4 of it. Have a walk. So to camera, because you will be seeing this one a lot more. So yes. Come on. See, there's a temporary little container for him. There you go. Into his little den. So I'll just move to this. This is like a standard kind of little container. Half a bottle, and it's just there's got another hide in there. No. So that's him, and there's an update on him because he's. I mean, you know, it's amazing to see just how quick that species grows, and in here, as you can see it. Might just be able to see him. That's another salmon pink. I have 2 of them. This one is slightly smaller. Slightly smaller than Kratos. That one is not yet named, but I hope that they will be a breeding pair. Here are my my waxworm pupae. Oops. So yeah. So yeah, there's a quick update on my salmon pink bird eaters. Mainly Kratos, of course, because he is very special to me in the sense that he's my first spiderling, and it'd be interesting to see just how she grows up. Obviously, I don't know if it's definitely female, but excuse me, it's definitely looking that way. So thank you for watching, and please check out my other videos. Cheers guys.